You are not a hero. If you can get out, get out. The only reason you stay in an active shooter situation is if you have a child. But we're going to show you how to escort them, how to get them out safely. There's a tactical way to move. Big target, little target, vital organs. Shooter operates here. You have to make him work. Drop the muzzle and track. This is to protect your vital organs. Can you get shot here and stop around? The shooter is in that direction. Get low. Hook arms. So she does hook. That's it. Lower. That's it. Shooter's here. Bah, bah, bah. If you guys start moving towards the exit, start moving slowly. Who do I get to shoot first? Ready? Go. Let's go quick, quick, quick. Drop it. That's it. Drop it like it's hot. Let's go. Come on. All right, turn. Flatten the back. Flatten the back. Come on. Charge it. Charge it. Charge it. Fire. Time. Killer. 791. All right. Next. Same thing. Put this on your side. This is going to go towards the back. Oh, you shot yourself. He is just hanging out. All right, so let's do it again. Are you ready? Ah, good. All right. Did he get to me? Yeah. He got to me, and we know. Stack team, on this wall, quickly, on this wall. That's it. He's coming through. He's coming through with a handgun, much smaller gun. Do your job, do your job. Time, time, time! Time. Never changes. Never changes. You're not concerned of the size of the gun. You're not even concerned if it's a real gun. You don't have time to give a pop quiz. He is never, ever, ever armed. His job is to engage the weapon. He needs to get this barrel from here up or straight down. So he's going to engage the weapon. Their job is pure horsepower and violence. Punching, kicking, eyes, biting, until he is no longer a threat. Engage, engage, engage. Everyone, time, time, time. Okay, good, 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 good. Time, time, time. Good, all right. Needless to say, it works. Imagine no pumping the brakes. Imagine that adrenaline. Moving under fire. Escorting under fire. Improvised protection. Understanding proper engagement. Where does the gunman, where does he live? 10 and 2. What's faster, reload times or distance cover times? By 3 or 4 times. What's that team on the wall that engages the gunman? What if they have something in their hands to hurt him with? What if I'm over here going, hey, I need your eyesight? Distract team. Gun hits the ground, I can shoot him. If you play dead, fake a casualty, is it up or down? All right? That is the active shooter plan. We have a lot more scenarios that we can put with that, but I